Okay guys, today I'm going to talk about L-shape lah. How to do the L-shape ceiling. Okay, first you can click on the grill. Okay, do the setting of the number or in here. Okay, so you can see the square there. Then it may help you when you're drawing the L-shape rectangle. So I'll just draw rectangle first. Okay, then another rectangle. Okay, untick it. So these two I'm gonna merge it lah, using boolean. Okay. So you see they merge together. Then change the size. Okay. So you can see the L-shaped ceiling. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.